talk. Chanel talk. Chanel talk. Hey Chanel, what you talking about?
Hey you guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. I'm going to do a tutorial on a cut crease, and it's like a pinkish nudish shimmer cut crease using the Morphe 24G Glam palette. So let me show you what it looks like. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep watching.
So my brows are already done. We're moving on to the eyes. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelids. I find that helps my eyeshadows stay put all day long and they show up better. And this is some NYX HD finishing powder that I'm setting this concealer with. So the first color in the palette I'm going to use is Flirty. I'm using that as my transition shade, and I'm going to blend that in slightly above my crease. And you'll see me go back and forth from eye to eye. I just find that when I do it this way, they look identical versus doing one eye at a time. So for my crease color, I'm going to use the color Brownie, and I'm going to blend that directly into my crease. You'll also see me go back in with a color Frenchie, and I'm going to take that right above where I started the transition shade, just to make sure there are no harsh lines. And if you don't remember nothing else, remember blend, 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 honey. It's nothing worse than eyeshadow just slopped together, not blended, harsh lines. That's not cute at all. So I'm just blending away. So now I'm going to take this e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm going to dot and look up. That's going to show me where to start cutting my crease. And I'm just going to carve out my eyelid and spread that concealer all over. And this is the same concealer I used previously, LA Girl Pro, in the color Toffee. Once that's done, you'll see me go back in with the same HD finishing powder to set. And excuse my hair, I know I'm looking a hot mess by the head, but this is not a hair video. I got some NYX matte finishing spray. I sprayed a shadow brush by e.l.f. and I'm using the color Glossy. I'm going to pack that on my eyelid, and the reason why I sprayed it is because it makes the application easier. And I'm going to go back in with Flirty and just blend that out where the concealer stopped. And I like that dark outer corner smoky look, so I'm going to take Brownie and I'm going to blend that in the outer corner. And I just have a random clean brush that I'm blending with more. And I have this Maybelline liquid liner. I'm just gonna do a real basic line look with a slight wing at the end. Nothing major. And now I'm going to highlight, contour, and apply foundation all in one. You definitely don't have to do it this way, but I find that it's much quicker for me. I was in a hurry, so I put the concealer underneath my eyes, bridge of my nose, chin, cupid's bow. I have this NYX highlight and contour cream palette. I took the darkest color around my hairline, hollows of my cheek and chin. I also highlighted my head. I have this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the color 360. I'm going to apply that too. And once I get all that applied, I'm going to spray my face with the finishing spray and blend that in. And if you spray it like this, you have to make sure that you work fast to blend this in because it sets fairly quickly. I started out with the Beauty Blender and I ended up with a Real Techniques styling brush. That is a great brush to blend with. I love Real Techniques brushes. I got it at Walmart, by the way. So I'm just blending everything in. Blending it in. I have this colorful contour brush that I got off Amazon that I'm going to use to blend the cream contour. Then I'm going to contour my nose. Blend that in with a nose contour brush. Then I'm going to bake for a minute with Sacha Buttercup banana powder. And while I'm baking, I'm going to apply my lashes off camera. So now I'm back with the lashes applied, and I'm going to wipe away that setting powder. And I'm using True Complexion contour palette because I kind of lost the cream contour with all that blending. So I'm just going in with the darkest powder around the spots where I was contouring with the cream. And I'm going to take a little highlight. Put that on my cheekbones. Dab a little on my nose and in between my eyes. A little bit in the corners of my eyes. Look at that. So I'm spraying the face for the finish and doing a little bit more blending. And I'm going to use a little tinted eyebrow gel. You want these brows to stay in place. You don't want them to go nowhere. A little lip liner. It's a dark brown. So now I'm going to go in with NYX Lip Lingerie. It's a matte lip gloss in the color of Beauty Mark. And then I'm going to go in with this pink lip gloss. It's by NYX. It's a soft matte. Look close up so you can see the shadow look. Had to add my beauty marks back. And we done, boo.